Adding wax protection to your vehicle is normally a straightforward process using Meguiars waxes. However, with the introduction of Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax, we've made this process even easier. Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax is the result of all-new chemistry which contains cross-linking synthetic polymers as well as Meguiars hydrophobic polymer technology. This combination not only gives you incredible water beading, but also provides maximum protection and durability. It truly is our most advanced wax ever. Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax also utilizes Meguiars thin film technology, which allows for an even smoother application and faster wipe-off, even in direct sunlight. In addition, Ultimate Liquid Wax's new synthetic formula won't turn plastic trim white like most traditional waxes. Before waxing, remember to wash and dry your vehicle thoroughly and make sure it's free from any defects or bonnet contaminants. If not, you'll need to use our Smooth Surface Clay Kit or one of our paint cleaners like Meguiars Ultimate Compound to properly prep the surface before applying Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax. Whether you're working by hand or a dual-action polisher, Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax with Meguiars thin film technology allows you to be flexible on the application and removal. This means if you prefer to apply it to the entire car before removing it, you'll have no problem. However, our new technology also allows for a wipe-on, wipe-off type of application. Apply Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax to a small section at a time, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then easily remove it with the included Supreme Shine microfiber towel. With either method you choose, our testing confirms you'll be getting maximum protection and water beading. To extend the life of Meguiars Ultimate Liquid Wax, always use a wash designed specifically for car finishes like Meguiars Ultimate Wash and Wax on a regular basis. For additional detailing tips and techniques, call our surface care specialist or visit Meguiars.com.